Imagine having the power to create digital products, solve complex business problems, and potentially change the world. Imagine being able to harness that power to land an in-demand product design job, making you an invaluable asset to any company or client, helping them to create intuitive user experiences that millions of people interact with every day. Being able to design these experiences is one of the most challenging, rewarding, and valuable skills to have in 2023 and beyond. In this course, I'm going to teach you and show you how to create these experiences step by step so that you can confidently deliver product UX and UI that makes companies money and helps them succeed. Welcome to Betterment. I'll guide you and walk you through the entire product design process and then teach you how to put that knowledge into practice so that you can create easy to use, accessible, visually pleasing interfaces and highly intuitive experiences. I'm going to show you how to completely kickstart your career so that you can get your foot in the door in one of the fastest growing, most in-demand industries in the world, setting you up for success with portfolio creation, interview prep, and a wealth of practical knowledge that will help you stand out in the crowd. You're going to learn how to identify user problems, leverage data to inform your designs, conduct user research, create working prototypes, and test your designs with real users. You're going to learn the entire product design process from front to back, so by the end of the course, you'll be able to create and deliver high-caliber user experiences and interfaces and make great money doing it. Now is the time to jump into product design and become the world-class designer that you know you can be and that companies desperately need you to be. Welcome to Betterment Product Design. I'll see you in the course.